So to check our work, we want to take our solutions here and plug them in to make sure that the left-hand side is all equal to 0. Alright, so you take the -3 and you'd plug it in right here. So -3 squared is 9, and 9 plus -3 is going to be 6, and 6 minus 5 is 1, and the square root of 1 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. And of course our other solution was 2, so let's try that. So 2 squared is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 minus 5 is 1, and the square root of 1 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So it looks like that both of our solutions are working. Okay, so time for a new one. And let's see what I've got up my sleeve here. We're going to have the square root of 4x minus 12 is equal to the square root of 3x plus 2. So in order to get rid of both these radicals here, we're going to square both sides. So I guess I should just rewrite it. 4x minus 12, we're going to square this to get rid of this square root. And then we're going to square this side here. 3x plus 2. And let's square that. So when we square the square root falls out somewhere down into the abyss. I don't know, it disappears to the ether. Okay, so we've got rid of our radicals, and now it's just a matter of solving this linear equation. And so I'm going to bring this 3x over, and when I do, it becomes a minus 3x, and then I'm going to bring this 12 over here, and so we have 2 plus 12. And let's see what happens here. 4x minus 3x is x, and this just becomes 14. So 14 is our solution. So once again, you want to go up here, plug it in the left-hand side. I think it comes down to the square root of 44, and then the right-hand side comes down to the square root of 44. So we know that 14 is a solution, and it's the only solution actually. When we get into graphing, which is in the next section, after complex numbers and applications, I think the next major section is we're going to get into graphing some functions, I believe. And so you'll be able to put a picture to all this stuff. Okay, let's look at another one. We have 2x, and I do believe it helps out to be able to present a picture with what we're doing, because that's usually how most of us think, is in pictures. Well, to get rid of this radical here, we want to square both sides. Yeah, I don't know about you, but I dream in pictures, not math equations. Of course, I have had lots of math dreams, but most of them are, it's some type of a picture that I see. Okay, so this is where we're at. We want to now, let's say, take everything over to the left. So there we go. And we want to factor this thing. And I'm going to help you out here. This is going to be 2x. I had to do some little trial and error on this problem, but we're not going to do that. Waste of time. This becomes positive 3 and a minus 5. Alright, and of course you set both of these equal to 0 and solve for x.